So the first impression when I just went into this exhibition hall, you go down the escalator and you see a sea of people. And I was like, oh my God. And one thing that I can say about this conference is the power of connection. It is so easy to get connected with other people, get to talk to some other people who are like you know, striving to build their business, expand their vision, help other people. So it was very empowering for me to see that it's not only me who really wants to help others and expand. It actually builds such a huge momentum where you have thousands of people coming, and it becomes a totally different experience and activity because it just multiplies everything you do. Every conversation you have, every business card you get, everything becomes so meaningful. The place is buzzing. The people are so excited. They're smiling. There is so much energy here. And it's so great to see other people, you know, having a good time. What I learned from the expo is actually very interesting because I was able to talk to people who are like me doing things in my industry or other industries. And just by talking to real people and sharing real examples, I was like, oh, this is a great idea. I want to use it in my business. I wanted to say thank you to SBE for giving opportunity to people like me and to other business executives and specialists and, craftsmen to do what they do and actually strive to do more.